Okay, finishing up the problem where we left off in 41. So we have x squared is equal to 140 squared plus 160 squared minus 2 times 140 times 160 times the cosine of 80. And I know I'm going to be taking the square root of all of that to solve for x. So x is approximately equal to the square root of 140 squared plus 160 squared minus 2 times 140 times 160 times the cosine of 80. And this is going to give me about 193.4 yards, which makes sense if we're talking about a lake. Okay, and if you skip over to number 43, then we are going to take a look at the picture and we need to write the bearing. It says in number 43, what you have is a series of islands. And so we have island A, island C, and island B. And I am 5 miles between A and C. I am 6 miles between A and B, and I am 7 miles between B and C. It says if you are on island A, on what bearing? So if I draw my bearing at A, at what bearing would you navigate to go to island C? So what you need to know is, what is this angle? Well, to find this angle, I'm going to find that angle. And to find that angle, I'm going to use the law of cosines. So I'm going to have 7 squared, because I'm solving for angle A, so I use the opposite side, is equal to 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 5 times 6 times the cosine of A. So I have 49 minus 25 minus 36 gives me negative 12 is equal to, this is 10 times 6, which is going to give me 60, negative 60 times the cosine of A. And I divide both sides by negative 60, and this is going to give me 1/5 equals the cosine of A. Well, to solve for the measure of angle A, I'm going to use the inverse cosine of 1/5. And this gives me about 78 degrees. We'll round off to the nearest degree, even though they don't tell us what to do. So if this angle is 78 degrees, then this angle on the north-south line is 90 minus 78. So it's going to be 12 degrees. So the bearing in which I would have to navigate from island A to get to island C is going to be north 12 degrees west. Okay, your assignment. You are going to do numbers 2, 6, 12, 20, 28, 30, 32, 40, 42, and 44.